Welcome. If you want to stay connected with your friends and never miss an update on Roblox, turning on contact notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to enable contact notifications on Roblox Mobile. First, unlock your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the More button. Tap on it to open up more options within Roblox. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to enter the main area where you can customize your Roblox experience. Next, look for the Notifications option. This is where you control what alerts you receive from Roblox. Tap on Notifications to see all the available notification settings. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see a list of different types of notifications. Find and tap on Mobile Push Notifications. This is the section that controls what notifications you get directly on your phone. Now, look for the option labeled Contacts on Roblox. This setting is what lets you get notifications when your friends or contacts interact with you, whether it's a new friend request, a chat message, or other updates. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch so it turns green or blue, depending on your device. That means contact notifications are now active. If you ever want to adjust which notifications you receive, you can come back to this menu and toggle other options like group announcements, experience invites, or community events. And that's it. You've successfully enabled contact notifications on Roblox Mobile. Now, you'll always be in the loop when your friends reach out or something important happens in your Roblox world. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can stay connected too. Happy gaming!